Once we're ready to create our script, all we need to do is go into our dashboard and click on Create Script. Now the first thing we need to do is name it, so I'm just going to call it Eva's Test 1. And then select a category, or you can select from a number of different categories, but I'm going to go with online marketing for now. Now the last step in the setup process is I need to choose my template, and if I hover over each of these numbers I can see what template it is. So template number 1 is a classic sales template, which is quite long for longer videos. Template number 2 is specifically for software creators because it takes into account giving a little bit of a demo about what the software actually does. Template number 3 is a shorter sales template, so it's very good if you want to get straight to the punch. And template 4 is all about info products and online marketing. So let me just go through and click on number 1 and then click on Get Started, and that's how you start with your canvas in order to start making your script. Now the first step that you need to do is have a look through the sentences on the left hand side. There's going to be a number of sentences, and all you need to do is click on whichever one you want to populate it on your right. So I'm going to go with this third one, and it populates it in here. Now the last step before I go on to the next step to keep creating my script, I need to go into here and actually type in what it is that I want these words to be replaced with. So over here it says your name, and in the script in here it says, hey, it's your name here. So I'm going to go ahead and put in my name, and if I click, all of a sudden it's been changed in the script. Now the next thing I need to do is type in what kind of goals I want people to achieve. So if I look at the script over here, it's saying you can get one step closer to achieving your what kind of goals. Let's say, and there's some examples for social media or online, I might say money making goals. Alright, and now that's been changed. So this sentence here is all ready for me, and I can click on next. Now the next one gives me the exact same thing, so all I need to do is click on the sentence I want, wait for a second for the software to actually pick up what sentence I clicked, and then go through each of these to start replacing the words on the right hand side. Now I need to go through all of these steps, so as you can see this is a long script, there's 25 steps that you need to go through, and once I've finished I can actually go through and read this entire script and make sure that it makes sense. And if I really want to, I might want to change parts of it, so I can actually go into here, I can highlight it, and then I can write X, Y, Z or whatever I want to do, and that is going to override everything. And so let's say my script is ready, right? So all I need to do is click on Save and Continue. And that's it. So remember, you go through the sentences on this left hand side to populate your right hand side script, and then you need to make sure that you've replaced all of these words here, or you can go straight in here and start changing these in the script on the right hand side. And that's it.